In 2008, a Turkish businessman created the most elaborate sanctions-busting scheme in history. Reza Zarrab wasn't just moving money, he was moving billions for Iran while the entire world was watching. His network was genius in its simplicity. Buy gold in Turkey, ship it to Iran. Use fake invoices to make it look like food and medicine trades. Banks processed the transactions without question. Government officials looked the other way. Everyone got their cut. For years, Zarrab moved over $20 billion. Iran got the foreign currency it desperately needed. The sanctions meant nothing. He lived like a king. Private jets, luxury hotels, pop star wife. But in March 2016, Zarrab made one mistake. He took a family vacation to Disney World. The moment his plane landed in Miami, FBI agents were waiting. His arrest sent shockwaves through Turkey and Iran. Phone calls revealed corruption at the highest levels of government. The man who helped Iran beat the world's toughest sanctions was brought down by Mickey Mouse.